Galaxy Play-Doh. I'm going to show you the recipe for one batch, but you'll want to make 3 batches, each in a different color, and then when you combine them all together, it makes it look like a galaxy. So the ingredients that you'll need are here. For one batch, 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of water, a half a cup of salt, a tablespoon of vegetable oil, a teaspoon cream of tartar, purple, turquoise, and pink food coloring, and there is glitter that is optional. You'll combine everything except the glitter into a saucepan and cook on medium heat until it starts to clump together. And then once it starts to clump together, you'll set it on the counter to cool. And once it's cooling is when you can add the glitter. And then once all 3 batches are done, you can combine them together to make it look like a galaxy. So I'm at the point now where it's getting, I've cooked it for a bit, it's getting clumpy. Still trying to get my food coloring distributed well, but it's getting pretty clumpy. So I'm gonna take that off the burner and put it on the counter, and then I'll come back when we have all 3 colors and we can combine them together. Alright, we're back. We've got each of our batches of Play-Doh in each color, so pink, turquoise, and purple. And once it's come out of the pan, we've added the glitter. And now we can combine all 3 batches to make it look like a galaxy. You might just want to do a little bit of each at a time. Mix them together really good. This is a good workout too for your arms. The stirring, it's a good workout. This mixing it up. You might want to add a little bit more glitter. And when you're doing the food coloring part, you know, the more food coloring you add, the deeper the color will be. I added quite a bit of purple to make it look dark like a galaxy. Squish it all up. Pink's kind of getting lost, the darker colors. Squish it all up, and the final product looks like this. And there you go. You've got some Galaxy Play-Doh. Pretty simple to make. Thanks for watching.